Hey guys, so today I'm doing Animal Jam. It's like one of the best games I love to do. That made no sense, but I love this game. So today I thought it would be fun to play it. So let's first off and show you my character. Where is my character? 1 second, my peeps. There's my character. Let's see my house. Now this is my den. I have a lot of dens, but okay, no. Before I show y'all this one, let me do den tours. So, start with my small house, the one that everybody gets when they're not a member. So this is what I had when I wasn't a member. It was really fun to use. And really boring, but fun. Here's my friendship cottage. This is what came with my membership because I got mine with the Valentine's Day bundle. So there it is. There's my 2 tables. There is my check-in desk. Here's one of the rooms. Here's the waiting room. Go up here. There's another room. And for all you Arctic animals out there, there is special rooms for you. No, I meant to go down. I'll just go from top to bottom. No, let's go bottom to top. Yeah. So this is one of the first rooms. Orb with a bed. One of the second rooms. Orb, bed, and solar eclipse. The third room. Orb, bed, and what is it called again? Galaxy room. And there's just a statue thing. So that's this tour. I made this one into a hotel. So it's free to visit anytime. Let's go in my enchanted hole. There it is. It's really dark in here. I like it. It's special. It's really nice. That's it. This one. Here's Sir Gilbert's Palace. So this is one of the ones I love the most. Here's here. It's amazing. It looks so beautiful. So let's go to my other parts of my kingdom. So here's the entrance. So I made this one of the people's rooms that I was playing with, and this used to be a steel gate, but I accidentally recycled them and got more money off them, but I couldn't find them again, so I got stone walls. So if you have steel gates, please feel free to trade me. I'm move on. I used to always run up and say, "Don't go past the steel gates." And this is one of my best places. Has anyone ever seen a tree in a tree? It's funny. And then there's that, and then there's one. So that's this room. Oh, it's gonna take forever. Cosmos Tree House. Ah! Oh. Got it. Okay, so here it is. This is another hotel. Check-in desk. This is the upstairs. This is where the people with not much money can go get a nice room. First, second room. And where all the most richest people stay. The first rich room. It's amazing. And the second rich room. This one's the best room. It comes with your own pool that you can use as a bath. And then let's go to my spring cottage, my favorite one. Well, not really my favorite, but I love it. See, here you go. Here's that. Sorry, this used to have so much more stuff in it, but then I deleted it to make it look like my character is poor and stuff because I was playing a game on it. So I'm adding all that stuff back, and something else I want to show y'all. So yeah, I wanted to just get away from y'all's parents, but y'all are not letting go like far from your house. Perfect thing for you. Where is the lake? Of course. Okay. So here it is. But this isn't it. So that is the spring cottage for you. Oh, LeBron. Look at this one. Hey. This is for like a farm animal. I'm thinking about putting a horse in this, but I had a goat in it for a while now. It was fun to use. And that's not it. Try to find my character. I love the tall grass. I'm gonna buy more of it. And over here, yeah. So that's the old barn. Here's Graham's observatory. I'm just gonna like show y'all this. What? Internet connection. 1 second, guys. Don't worry about it. Okay, here we go. There we go. I got everything for you. I'm sorry about this video. I don't know what's gotten into my computer. My computer has been very glitchy lately, especially when I'm watching videos on Netflix. Let's go. Okay, here we go. Graham's observatory. Let's try this one again. See, I'm not going to show you everywhere, but here's just like one of the rooms because I don't want to go to this huge house. No, I'm not doing that. I can't even get to the room that I've been wanting to show my friends because it's so hard to get there. And last one. That's one of my very top favorite room. I mean, house. Okay, so this is the one I started off with, but then I never actually did. So here's this room. Okay, first of all, let's go back to this. Bruh. It's just an empty room. I don't know what to make it yet. If you go down, so glitchy. Alright, so I love this. And here we go. This is my room. I get this bigger room. And the secret room. What's really about it, just stay in here for a little while. Passing the time about. What if you can make your character actually that red? That would be cool, but I would never do it. Okay, so this is what you could do. I really love doing this. No, don't crack, don't crack. Yeah. See, if you ever go into that room and you get like super red, all you have to do is go into the water and fix. This is the kitchen, and then back outside. Whew, 9 minutes already. I'm gonna end the video here. Hope y'all enjoyed. Please leave a comment if y'all want more Animal Jam, Roblox, or Minecraft. Unfortunately, Minecraft will be. I'm not gonna be able to do Minecraft for a little bit now because I forgot I forgot to pass into my account, so I'm going to figure out that out soon. So let's leave it up to Animal Jam or Roblox.